In this video, we'll show you how to create a Voice IVR survey in just a few minutes. First, click on Voice and then choose IVR Poll as your engagement wizard. On step 1 of this engagement wizard, you will add in your audio messages that the recipient will hear on the call that you send to them via the platform. So first, you'll upload the initial message or question. This message should include the different key press options that the recipient can press on their phone. For example, this audio file says, press 1 to learn about hand washing, press 2 to learn about preventing malaria, and so on. So this audio file should speak what are the different key press options that the recipient can press on their phone during the call. Then down here you specify the valid key presses. So we have 1 and 2. You can add as many as you want. So you can just do that by clicking add key press. And then after each key press, you can upload an MP3 file that will play after the recipient presses that key on their phone in the middle of the call. So just to clarify again, up here is where you upload the question or the message that speaks the options. Press 1 for this, press 2 for that. Then up over here is where you upload what will play after the person presses 1 or what will play after the person presses 2, and so on. So you can just then upload one for key press option 3. And then down here in the others section, you can upload an error message. For example, if they press 6, what they should hear if they press an invalid key. Then you can very easily add another question. Just click on this button and for this one, we'll record a message directly from the platform. Please state your name and what you think of the engageSPARK platform after the beep. When you're done speaking, press 9. And we'll just click end recording. And so this question is actually not a key press response type of question, but a spoken response type of question, meaning that instead of pressing keys on their phone, the recipient will actually speak a response, and we will capture and record that response and make it available for you on the website. I'll give them 10 seconds to reply and specify that they can press 9 to stop the recording sooner. Then at the very end, we'll add a goodbye message just so they know the call is ending and it doesn't feel abrupt when it ends. So we'll just check this box and say, thank you, have a nice day, goodbye. Just click end recording, and that's it. So you now have a 2-question survey. The first question allows people to learn something. Press 1 to learn about this, 2 to learn about the other thing. And the second question asks for some feedback. And then finally, we have a goodbye message. You now have the structure of your engagement. You just hit continue and select the contact you want to send it to, or a group. Of course, you can upload thousands and thousands of contacts into your account to send it to them. Then you click continue, and on step 3, you just hit launch, and that's it. The call comes through in a second. I'll go ahead and answer it live and then show you the report of this actual call so you can see how it all works and what kind of data you get in real time the moment the call ends. So here's the phone ringing.
This message is from engageSPARK to help you learn how to have a healthy, happy baby. Press 1 to learn about hand washing. Press 2 to learn about preventing malaria. Press 3 to learn about danger signs during pregnancy.
I'll press 3.
Sometimes problems occur during pregnancy. If you leak fluid or blood, have a fever, or have convulsions, go to the medical clinic right away.
Please state your name and what you think of the engageSPARK platform after the beep. When you're done speaking, press 9. My name is Avner, and I think the engageSPARK platform rocks. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. All right, so the call just ended, and now I will go ahead and click here to view the report of that engagement. So you get the data of what happened on the call in real time. So it's loading up now. And here we see there was one contact in this engagement. The call was successful. It looks like they pressed 3. And then, of course, if you had thousands of contacts, you'd see a breakdown. 100 people pressed 1, 500 pressed 2, and so on and so forth. Then you just scroll down, and down here we have the response to the spoken question. So I'll just hit play.
My name is Avner, and I think the engageSPARK platform rocks.
And you can transcribe it while listening. So you have the message, and then of course you can download a detailed report by clicking here, which is a report in Excel that gives you all of the information related to the call, including what time I answered it, how long the call was, what keys I pressed, the transcription of this spoken response, a link to this spoken response, and so on. So you get a ton of data in real time the moment the calls end. So that's how easy it is. It takes just a couple of minutes to launch the engagement, and then you can jump into the report and see the results that start coming in.